Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back to your chemistry class once again. So, in the previous lecture, you will cover topics that is the redox reaction and electrode processes. Okay. So, under this article, we covered is your electrochemical cell. Okay. So, all you students have understand with these examples how to work your electrochemical cell. In this electrochemical cell, both the processes occur, that is your oxidation and reduction. Okay, so here be the use of zinc electrode, that is a merge into the itself of electrolyte, that is a zinc sulfate, and similarly here the use of copper electron, that is also merged in the same electrolyte, that is a copper sulfate. Okay, so next topic will be continue for this article with this. So here the next topic, how to be represent the electrochemical cell. Okay, the representation of electrochemical cell, that is also related with these articles. Okay, students, so just understand here be the use in the zinc electrode in left beakers and right side is your copper. So students, this is your next article, that is a representation of an electrochemical cell, how to be represent in electrochemical cell. Okay, so here an electrochemical cell is represent in a manner as below in the Daniell cell. So here zinc, that is also oxidation process to convert into zinc 2 positive ions. Okay, that is your first cell, and after that this is a double line that is represent as a salt bridge, and this line indicate that means ki here the oxidation redox process is here occur. Okay, that means ki here that is use of electrodes. Okay, so here zinc is convert into zinc 2 positive, after that that is a double line is indicate your salt bridge. That means ki here these two electrode that is connected with the using of salt bridge, and here copper 2 positive ion, that is the gain of 2 electron from this zinc to convert into the copper. Okay, so total is the electrochemical cell is zinc, that is the single line is used for electrode. Zinc is converted into zinc 2 positive ions. After that, the lose 2 electron by gain of this copper 2 positive convert into copper solids, and this again that is your double lines the used as a salt bridge. Okay, that is a two vertical lines. So here similarly in case of copper and silver nitrate cell, how to be represent. So here copper, that is the loose electron to form copper 2 positive, and here the silver positive, that is gain electron to convert into silver. Okay, so here writing single vertical line, sometimes here the use as a semicolons. Okay, in a vertical line that is single, that is sometimes we use a semicolons. Okay, they can also be represented in this manners. Okay, so this is about the representation of electrochemical cell. Next is your electrode potential. Okay, ki how to be measure the potential in the electrode, that is related article is your electrode potential. So in the above article we also be discovered is the electrochemical cell, and that is consist of two electrodes. Okay, and that we call as a sometime half cell. Okay, so these electrode that is be dipped in solution of its ions, and at one of these electrodes that is oxidation occur, and second is one is your take place, that is your reduction reaction. Okay, so the tendency of an electrode, any one electrode, that is the tendency of electrode to lose or gain electron is called electrode potential. And since each electron represent as a half cell, and therefore electrode potential is also called potential for half cell. Okay, so remember that what is the electrode potential. Electrode potential, that is your tendency of the electrode to lose or gain of electron is called electrode potential. Okay, so electrode potential of any electrode, that is depends upon the concentration of the ion and temperature. Okay, so remember that electrode potential is depends upon the concentration of the ions. Okay, and second is your temperature. Okay, so here concentration is taken as a unity, that means ki here the concentration is considered as a 1 moles per liter. Okay, so all you know that that is a unit is your concentration. Okay, moles per liter, number of moles divided by volume. Okay, and the temperature is taken as a 298 Kelvin. The electrode potential determinants are called as standard electrode potential, and it is denoted by E naught. That is the standard conditions. Here we apply, you take a 1 molar of concentration of solutions, as will the temperature is 298 Kelvin, and that is be as a standard electrode potentials, and it is denoted as a E naught. The electrode potential is termed as oxidation potential if the electron lose electron, and is called as reduction potential. Electrode potential is termed as oxidation potential if the electron lose electron, and is called by as reduction potential if the electrode is gain the electrode. That means simple in language ki if the electrode is lose the electron, that we called as oxidation electrodes, and when the electrode is gain of electrode, that means it called be as a reduction electrodes. Okay, oxidation and reduction potentials are just reverse of each other. So for example, oxidation potential of an electrode is x volts, and that its reduction potential is minus x volts, because oxidation and reduction process that is occur simultaneously. So that's why we here called as a oxidation and reduction potential are just be reverse each other. That's why here the use of sign is opposite, positive and negative in for a x volts. Okay, so next topic is your temperature of concentration of metal ions and temperature on the electrode potential, as we call as a standard electrode potential. What is the effect of concentration of metal ion and temperature on the electrode potentials? Okay, कि हमारे पास जो concentration है वो metal of ions का कैसे effect रहेगा standard electrode potentials के ऊपर, और temperatures का क्या effects रहेगा. Okay, so firstly we hear examples that is related with your zinc electrode. So when the electrode says zinc is dipped in the solution of its ion, that means ki zinc is dipped into the zinc sulfate solution. The two opposing tendency is where we observe. First one is your the zinc atom of the rod may lose electron to form zinc 2 positive ion. Okay, so here what's the process? That is the oxidation ki zinc atom of the rod they may lose the electrons and to form zinc 2 positive ions, and which passes into the solution, and the electron is accumulates on the rod. Here zinc is converted into zinc 2 positive plus 2 electron. That means here process is the oxidation because due to the loss of electron. Second point, the electrons may attract the zinc 2 positive ions from the solutions to form atom of zinc metals, and which get deposit on the zinc rod. Zinc rod is deposit of on the, that means ki here the again the this zinc 2 positive ion gain of 2 electrons, and they form into the neutral state of atom, that is your simple atom form of zinc. So that's why zinc here the gain 2 electrons to form zinc solid as a reduction process. And these two opposing tendencies will continue, and they follow the equilibrium is reach other. So what happen ki zinc is equilibrium between zinc 2 positive plus 2 electron. That means ki sometimes zinc lose the electron to form a zinc 2 positive ion, and sometimes is what happen ki zinc 2 positive that is gain the 2 electrons to convert into zinc solid metal state. Okay, that's why here the right ki these two opposing tendency will continue, and eventually the following equilibrium is reached. So this is the equation when the your uh, that is a two opposing forces is, that is your tendencies, two opposing tendencies to form a equilibrium state ki zinc is, firstly we convert zinc to positive plus 2 electron. That means ki here the reaction is also forward with the backward direction. Okay, so next is your ki what's the condition is here, what the tendency to depends upon these potential difference. So here the potential difference which set up between the metal ion and its own ions. Potential difference, okay, potential difference which is set up between the metals, that means here we take as a zinc and its own ion in the solution is called electrode potential. कि जिंक पॉजिटिव जो हमारे पास एज अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है वो किसके बीच में सेटअप रहेगा, सेटअप बिटवीन द मेटल एंड इट्स ऑन आयन इन द सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड जिंक, is called electrode potential, and the magnitude of these potential difference is depends upon the following factor, that is very important. Potential difference which is set up between the metal and its own ion in the solution is called electrode potential, and this electrode potential difference is depends upon the following factors. So first one is the nature of the metal and its ions. Second is the concentration of the ion in solution, and third one is your temperature. Okay, so again repeat which factor that is depend upon the electron या magnitude of potential difference. First one is the nature of metal and its ions. Second one is the concentration of the ions in solution, and third one is your temperature. So we conclude that ki electrode potential that is depend upon the concentration of metal ion in solution and temperature. So overall we can say that electrode potential is totally depends upon the concentration of metal ions and solution of the temperature. Electrode potentials are generally measured under standard conditions. Okay, remember that electrode potential is measured under the standard conditions, and here the standard condition is used, that is a 1 molar concentration of metal ion and temperature is used to 98 Kelvin. Okay, here you can also be read in your previous lines, that is also be here the standard condition is what happened, that is 1 molar concentration of metal ions and temperature is 298 Kelvin, that is be called as a standard electrode potential and is denoted by the E naught. Okay, next is the measurement of standard electrode potential is what, that is the standard electrode potential measurement. So here the single electrode, I am also be explained ki potential of any single electrodes cannot be measured directly because some following reason. First one is your ki half cell reaction cannot be takes place independently, here the use of any reference electrode. So that's why ki half cell reactions cannot be takes place independently. सेकेंड इज इट इज़ रिलेटिव टेंडेंसी टू लूज़ और गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर हमारे पास कोई सेकेंड रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं रहेगी तो वहाँ पे उसकी टेंडेंसी लूज़ और गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कहीं पे भी नहीं रहेगी. फॉर पर्पस ऑफ मेजरमेंट एज सुन एज अनदर मेटल्स कंडक्टर इज पुट इन टू द सॉल्यूशंस एंड इट विल सेटअप इट्स ऑन पोटेंशियल. अगर सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हम यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो पोटेंशियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड्स है वो मेज़र करना इम्पॉसिबल रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, in the view of this difficulty, we removed by the using of standard electrode potential, and the electrode potential has to be measured against some reference electrode, and these reference electrode be used as a standard or normal hydrogen electrode. So remember that the reference electrode is be used as a standard hydrogen electrode and normal hydrogen electrodes. So these about some standard hydrogen electron, what is it, consists of platinized platinum electrodes. Okay, so this is a platinized platinum electrode, that means ki platinum electrodes having a coated with the black platinum. Okay, and these platinum electrodes having a coating with the black platinum is dipped in the 1 molar solution of HCl. Okay, at the temperature is 298 Kelvin and pure hydrogen gas that is passed to this hole and maintain at a pressure of 1 atmospheric. So here all the standard condition is here applied. 1 molar concentration of solution, 298 Kelvin temperature, and temperature is maintained your 1 atmospheric. So here the bubbles through the solution containing platinized platinum electrode as shown in your figure. You can see that the finely divided black platinum coated over the platinum absorb hydrogen and this helps to establish a rapid equilibrium between the H2 and H positive ions. So what happened here, that this is black platinum coated over a, okay, this is a black platinum coated over a platinum electrodes. So here absorb the hydrogen and this helps to establish the equilibrium between the H2 and H positive ions. Okay, so when a cell, this electrode act as a anode, when the this reference standard hydrogen electrode is used with any zinc electrode and copper sulfate, so copper electrodes. So here in case of one condition, या one case of we will act as a anode standard hydrogen electrode, मीन्स कि अगर हम कॉपर सल्फेट या जिंक सल्फेट के साथ इस स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड को मर्ज कर देते हैं सेकेंड दोनों में से किसी एक के साथ, तो वहाँ पे ये एक इलेक्ट्रोड वहाँ पे ये काम करेगी एज ए एनोड्स के लिए. ठीक है, जहाँ पे हम एनोड्स की रिप्लेसमेंट देंगे. So here that means ki act as a anode, and anode that means your oxidation takes place. Okay, so the following reaction occur, that is your some hydrogen gas that is changed into H positive ions. okay, get into the solution. That means here the loss of electron and to convert into the gases to aqueous H positive ions. So when these electrode when act as a cathode, that means here the process is your reduction. That means gain of two electrons and convert into H2 gases form. So some H positive ions from this solution change into H2 gases and the electrode is reversible with respect to H positive ions. So these electrodes can be represented as a platinum, that is a column, comma, and H2. Here the H2 is gas, is 1 atmospheric, that is represent is conditions. H positive, that is aqueous. Okay, so overall say that ki when the here apply the standard hydrogen electrode with the electrode potential in standard condition, so here the electrode potential of the standard hydrogen electrode is taken as a 0, because here standard hydrogen electrode is considered as a standard condition, that is your 1 molar of solution, 298 Kelvin of temperature, 1 atmospheric pressure. So all these standard condition, here the standard hydrogen electrode potential, that is your 0. That is also very important question. Sometime we are asking you what in which conditions your standard hydrogen electrode potential is 0. So these are the standard condition. Sometime we given the standard condition, what is the electrode potential of standard hydrogen electrode. So that we right click on the 0 option. Okay student, so this is about your measurement of standard hydrogen electrode, effect of concentration of metal ion and temperature on the electrode potential, what is electrode potential, and how to we represent the electrochemical cell. Okay, so next time will be started with the next topic in the next lecture video. So I hope you all understand. In case of anyone students face problem related these topics, so you can send me your problems on my WhatsApp number. I can resolve with your next lecture video. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day students.